Hola! Today I'm going to be talking to you about gender and number agreement in Spanish. So, nouns can either be masculine and they typically end in O. There are exceptions, but for this case, we're just going to start with the simplicity of nouns and say that most masculine nouns end in an O. For example, we have el gato, the cat, el libro, the book, and el chico, the boy. There are also feminine nouns, which typically end in an A, but like I've said, there are exceptions. Some examples are la maleta, the backpack, la chica, the girl, and la revista, the magazine. Some examples of those exceptions are la clase, which is feminine, and el lápiz, which is masculine. And we know which gender they are because we can look at the definite articles. So the definite articles are used to introduce specific nouns, and it's like saying the. So here, there's masculine singular, which is el, masculine plural, los, feminine singular la, and feminine plural las. Indefinite articles are used to introduce general nouns, and it's like saying a, an, or some. Masculine singular indefinite articles are un, masculine plural, unos, feminine singular una, and feminine plural unas. Like I said, it's the singular version of an indefinite article is like saying a or an. Some examples of masculine would be un gato, a cat, un libro, a book, un chico, a boy. Singular examples would be una maleta, a backpack, una chica, a girl, una revista, a magazine. The plural is like saying some, and examples of masculine versions would be unos gatos, some cats, unos libros, some books, unos chicos, some boys, plural feminine, unas maletas, some backpacks, unas chicas, some girls, and unas revistas, some magazines. There's rules to remember when making nouns plural. When a noun ends in a vowel, you simply add an S to the end. When a noun ends in a consonant, you add an ES to the end. When a noun ends in a Z, you change the Z to a C and then add ES at the end. For example, El Chico ends in an O, so it would be Los Chicos. You just add an S. El Reloj ends in a consonant, so you add ES at the end for Los Relojes. El Lápiz ends in a Z, so you would change that Z to a C and add an ES for Los Lápices. Adjectives and genders must agree with the nouns they are describing in gender and number. Masculine nouns make the adjectives masculine, and feminine nouns make the adjective feminine. So, for example, la chica es alta. The girl is tall. This agrees in the singularity of the article, la, the singularity of the noun, and the singularity of the adjective. It also agrees in gender. La chica es alta, those are all feminine. And when you make it plural, las chicas son altas, they are all plural and they are all feminine. Same goes for masculine. El chico es alto, the boy is tall. El chico and alto are all masculine. Los chicos son altos are all masculine. El chico es alto, these are all singular. And los chicos son altos are all plural. When putting together negative sentences, there's a specific order you have to follow. So first, personal pronoun, then the negation, and then here it says verb conjugation, but for our specific example, we're using adjectives. So la chica, this noun, the personal pronoun is she or ella. So ella no es alta. The girl is not tall. And here, el chico no es alto. So the no comes after the nouns or the personal pronoun. I hope I've helped you, and I hope you can use this in your Spanish classes. How do I still... Hola! Today we're going